Hey guys, if you have electronic parking brake, you have to release it before replacing the rear brake pads. For some cars, you can do that using the customer user option inside the car without using any scan tool. But for this Mercedes CLA 45, I had to do that with the scan tool. So this is the procedure to use the scan tool to release the electronic parking brake. So for doing that, connect the scan tool and in the car selection, find the Mercedes and go for the submit. You can select the car manually or automatically. For manually, you need to find your car step by step. But for automatic selection, some scan tools, they will read the VIN number automatically, like my scan tool in this case. But in some case, you have to enter the VIN number. Go for the system selection to find the electronic parking brake. Yeah, there you go. And now you will have a list of options in here. You need to select a special function. When you go for the special function, you have one item for move to assembly position. Select that one, and then you will have list of conditions. Obviously, car must be secured because your electronic parking brake is not active anymore, and you need to release the parking brake first. Okay, don't forget to do that. In the next options, you will have the status of the left and right parking brake. But you have one item to move to the assembly position. In my case, is F3, and one item which is F4 to move to deactivate the assembly position. So, do you hear this operation sound? So when you press F3, it actually actuator will activate to move the parking brake to assembly position, and you will see the item is changed in the scan tool. And press F4 now to deactivate the assembly position. So you should hear the actuator operation as well, and you see the condition on the scan tool is already changed. So these are the items that you need to do before and after replacing the rear brake pads.